Hey everybody, welcome back to the Haven Family Farm. My name's Chris, and I hope you'll join me for today's video. Basically, what has happened is I had stumbled across some footage of me using the brand new stump bucket I got for the skid steer over the summer. I forgot I had taken those couple clips. I think even my wife helped me film them. And I forgot I had taken them because I intended to add on to that those two clips that we had. But the reason I didn't, I actually had quit using the stump bucket because I had an issue with it. The hydraulic hoses, because it has a grapple on it, the hydraulic hoses, when you would tip the bucket down and bring it back up, wanted to get pinched down by the cylinders. So I didn't want to pinch the hydraulic hoses, obviously, and bust them up, so I quit using it. And I ordered this guy right here. It's basically a bracket on a spring that you can put your hydraulic hoses through. And I was going to mount this on the grapple bucket and then figure out where it goes and then get back to using the bucket. And one thing led to another, and that never happened. So there will be a video at some point of me installing this thing and getting it adjusted right. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button on your way out the door. I appreciate it. And now I will insert the clips here of me using this this past summer 2020. Hope you enjoy. And again, any questions, comments, leave them down below. Hey, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. All right, everybody, we got the new stump bucket on here. We're gonna start the video off nice and easy, digging out some few really small trees just to try and get the feel of the bucket. And then as the video progresses, we'll find some bigger stuff to try out. So let's get up here and we'll get started with the small trees first. Alright, so here is one of the trees that we're going to start with. I guess one of the downfalls to having this grapple is that you can't see the edge of the bucket so well. Oh, look at that. Nothing to it. Put the dirt back in the hole. And we're going to go right next door here. And we got this guy here that doesn't need to be here. These are all volunteer trees that I guess the seeds blew over from over by our wall. And these took off and been growing like crazy, and we don't want them here. They are a very thorny tree. Oh, I'm missing the bottom of the... Oh, that's why. I was digging in the wrong spot. My fault. There's a bunch of tall grass here and I can't see. I think we got her out of there. Put the dirt back in the hole. Okay, now. Oh, come on. Getting caught on the one root there. to do is get over here. There we go. Grab a hold of it. Back up here. Drop it on top of the other one. Now we got this one back here to do. Let me see if I can drag some of this side back in the hole here quick. Not perfect, but all right. See if we can do this next one here. Sorry if the video isn't great. I don't have a great place in the skid steer to put the camera. But when we go on and we dig out some other stuff, I'm going to set the camera out on the outside. As you can see here, there's so much brush, there's no place for me to put a camera so you could see anyway. But I'll make sure I get you some good shots, so never fear. A little bigger round. And now it's leaning on my fence. There we go. Now we popped it out of there. Now I just got to get a hold of it and get it off the fence. Just like that. Perfect. Now if I can get out of here, there's a big rock behind me here somewhere. Now my plan, hopefully, is to drop this one on top of those other two and grab, oh, we're getting caught. Trying to get them stacked on each other there. Underneath there, so I'm trying to grab a hold of these without. Come on, get in my bucket. Do we have all three, or did I miss one? I have a feeling I missed one of them. I did. With these rocks here, it's getting difficult to. All right, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna set these two over here. my wife wants me to take these because our goats love to eat them. So she wants me to take them over for the goats to eat. So, I guess we're gonna do that.